Sa ang Sena karon atong isgutan kung unsa ni siya. So usa ni siya ka labor dispute. Pasabot diri, Sena stands for a single entry approach. It's an administrative method in the Philippines for resolving labor and employment issues through a mandatory 30-day conciliation or mediation process. This approach aims to provide a speedy, impartial, inexpensive, and accessible way to settle disputes. Unsay purpose ini? Number 1, to settle the labor and employment issues before they escalate in full-blown disputes. Number 2, it involves a mandatory 30-day conciliation mediation process. Number 3, institutionalized by Republic Act number 10396 and implemented by the National Conciliation and Mediation Board or NCMB. And number 4, to provide a simplified and efficient way to resolve labor disputes. Number 6, facilitate voluntary compliance with labor laws and standards and promotes a more peaceful resolution of labor conflicts. So that's all.